If your AI strategy is purely controlled by IT or routed all through central headquarters, then you're being set up for failure. Here's why centralized AI deployment is going to fail and what to do about it. My name is Carl Ye and I'm the Chief AI Officer with 0to60.ai. My goal is to help you find the business of benefits of artificial intelligence through strategy, implementation, and education. We've seen it a lot. Most companies place the control of AI implementation and deployment under their IT department. Here's why it doesn't work though. IT has a lot of competing priorities: infrastructure, compliance, security. AI is just one more thing on their overloaded plate. They also lack deep business context, especially with different departments. So a lot of times what they deploy misses the mark. Innovation also gets bottlenecked. Business teams can't experiment, tweak, or iterate quickly. Also, IT is usually trained to avoid risk because of data privacy and security. But because of the speed of AI, it requires iteration and fast feedback. They also focus on tools, really not outcomes. And the biggest reason, delayed value. How many times have I've seen, been worked in an environment where there's such a bottleneck and it takes so long for new tools and things to get deployed? Sometimes in months and in years. But with the speed of AI, months and years are lifetimes. And AI isn't just technology, it's really about business transformation. Now let's talk about the problems when headquarters tries to roll out AI across the entire organization or specific regions. Remember that AI doesn't work like a traditional ERP, CRM, or standard IT deployment. Headquarters often tries to solve assumed problems or such a broad range of problems that aren't specific to individual departments, businesses, or regions. And with AI changing constantly, what worked in one quarter definitely won't work in another, and we're talking in months, sometimes in weeks. Centralized rollouts can't keep up with model drift, local feedback, and fast changing needs. Real data, the kind AI needs, is local, messy, and full of nuances. Headquarters just doesn't have access to that. And the worst, uniform governance kills experimentation. Headquarters wants control, but AI demands flexibility. This is why we've seen a lot of enterprise-wide adoption stall. You just can't lead transformation from a central location or a central boardroom or central groups of people. So what actually works? Well, we've seen a lot of success with many of our enterprise clients with a modular approach. You still need guardrails, but the power to drive transformation, that lives within the regions, different business units, not through central headquarters. So step one, start with discovery. Sit with every department and do a discovery. Sales, operations, finance, HR, accounting, marketing, and so on. You gotta ask what's repetitive, boring, mundane, involves data. You gotta find those weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, quarterly, annual tasks that most employees eye roll doing. Those are usually your first use cases. Number two, empower your teams. Let teams test, fine-tune, and use AI that fits their specific context. Sales might need call summarizers, finance wants forecasting, operations might need predictive dashboards. IT and central headquarters can still provide oversight, data privacy, compliance, cybersecurity, but they're enablers, not blockers. And number four, build AI champions. Identify the early adopters on those teams, specifically within each business unit or department or region. Train them to lead, coach, and scale AI adoption across the organization. So if your AI strategy is still IT driven or headquarters driven, it might be a time to rethink that strategy. Start from the front lines, find those processes, workflows, and issues, those repetitive tasks, those eye roll tasks, and then find the AI solutions that can help them. And it's one of those ways to get quick AI wins and showcase how AI can improve the entire organization. Remember, rising tide lifts all boats.